What's going on, guys? Chad Christopher here with another wood build. So today we're talking about how to magically float a wine bottle. Like, I'd like to say there's no magic involved. It's physics or whatever, but come on. This seems too good to be true. It seems ridiculous, right? So shout out to Third Coast Craftsman for the idea on this video. He did a video on it. These things are kind of all over the internet, but he's the one who figured out the measurements and stuff like that. So I'm following his video. I will link his channel down in the video description below. It seems pretty simple. This is all it is it's one piece of wood. He used the 2x4. You can do this for $2.68 or whatever a 2x4 is at Home Depot. I'm going to use this leftover piece of redwood to make it a little bit prettier. I'm also using a 2x8. So the wider the board, the more stability it's going to have, hopefully. If this doesn't work, I guess we're gonna go back to a 2x4 and try it. But that's my reasoning anyways. So it's two 45-degree cuts, 8 inches apart. We're drilling a hole somewhere up there, and you put a wine bottle in it, and they balance each other. So I don't really believe that it's gonna work, but I got a piece of wood, I got a saw, I got a bottle of wine, and we're gonna try it. All right, step 1, make a 45-degree cut into your wood. Step 2, mark 8 inches from the top. Step 3, draw a straight line. Second cut. Oh gosh, I don't think I realized about that thing. I guess we'll see if that much weight throws it off. But that's what we're working with. Okay, let's drill a hole. All right, so for this next step, we are measuring up from the bottom. We're gonna go 5 7/8 inches up. Then we're gonna find the center here, and then we're gonna drill a 1 1/4 inch hole.
All right, guys, so check it out. We got this thing home, super simple. Boom. One thing I did notice, with depending on what bottle of wine, you have to put the neck in like at different heights so that it balances out. But overall, man, beautiful. I think that's the coolest, simplest build in the entire world. It's literally one piece of wood, 2 cuts, and a hole. You can do with a 2x4 or 2x6 or a 2x8 like this. Honestly, if I did it again, I'd probably use one like a 2x4 or 2x6. This one's just a little bit kind of big. I don't know, unless maybe I decorated it or had a brand or something. I think the really cool part about this is a bottle of wine always makes a good gift. You show up to the house party or something like that. Anytime that I give a bottle of wine, I will definitely be giving it with one of these. Just give it that extra step up. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll do my best to get to them. Subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and I'll see you tomorrow for some more builds on Chad Christopher.